वेलकम स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम इस वीडियो में एक नया प्लेलिस्ट चालू कर रहे हैं। द टॉपिक ऑफ द प्लेलिस्ट इज प्रोबेबिलिटी। प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या है? प्रोबेबिलिटी मींस चांस ऑफ हैपनिंग ऑफ एन इवेंट। इससे पहले कि हम प्रोबेबिलिटी के फॉर्मूलाज और क्वेश्चंस लगाएं, कुछ टर्म्स से फेमिलियर कर लेते हैं हम लोग अपने आप को। जैसे कि एक टर्म है एक्सपेरिमेंट। एक्सपेरिमेंट क्या है? हम कोई एक्शन परफॉर्म करें जिसका कुछ आउटकम आए, ऐसे एक्शंस को हम एक्सपेरिमेंट कह सकते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई टॉस अ कॉइन, तो टॉसिंग ऑफ अ कॉइन इज द एक्शन, इट इज द एक्सपेरिमेंट, एंड गेटिंग अ हेड और अ टेल इज इट्स आउटकम। उसी तरह से जब हम एक डाई थ्रो करते हैं तो we can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the possible outcomes. Correct? So what is experiment? The action taken. And what is random experiment? When we perform the experiment and the experiment has more than one outcomes, and we don't know, we cannot predict. Like when you toss a coin, you can never predict whether you're going to get a head or tail. So it is a random experiment. This is what is meant by random experiment. Now if we take an example of an experiment, say tossing of coin, so what will be the events, what will be the outcomes? So you can get a head or you can get a tail. So these are the two possibilities. So the set of all the events is known as sample space. Set of all the outcomes forms a sample space, and a subset means either getting a head or either getting a tail. These are subsets of the sample space, so they are called the events. The event is a subset of the sample space. So after understanding these few terms, let us use them in our question. A coin is tossed once and we have to find P of S, that means probability of getting a head and probability of getting a tail. So what is probability? So probability is defined as the ratio of favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. So whose probability is being asked? Probability of getting head. So getting head will be the favorable outcome. So what is the sample space here? Sample space is equal to head comma tail. So implies P of H will be favorable outcome is only 1. You are getting head one time and total outcomes are 1 and 2. So probability of getting a head is 1 upon 2. Favorable outcome upon total outcome 1 upon 2. Same way P of T, probability of getting tail, is also how many possible outcomes? 2. Favorable one is only 1. One time you are getting tail. So 1 is the favorable outcome and total outcomes are 2. So again probability of getting a tail is also 1 upon 2. So probability means chance. Out of 2, 1 chance. That way you can interpret. Let us take one more question. A letter is chosen from the word triangle. So what are the letters? TRIANGLE. 3, 3, 6 to 8 characters are there, and probability of it being a vowel. So what is the, when you choose one letter, so what are the set of, what is the sample space? Sample space is TRIANGLE. This is the sample space. And what is your vowel set is, that is favorable outcome is I, A and E. So what is probability of getting a vowel? Favorable outcomes are 3 and the total outcomes are 3, 3, 6 to 8, 3 by 8. The favorable outcomes upon total outcomes gives us the probability. I hope you have got the basic idea of probability now, how we attempt questions. So we will do more questions in the next video of the playlist. Please subscribe the channel so that whenever I upload the video you get the notification, and you can also post your doubts on any of the topics up to class 10 maths. You can mail me your doubts. I will just solve it, make a short video on solving that sum and post it in one of my playlists, right? So that way our channel will be successful and you will get some help from me. So thank you very much. Bye.